The city of Santa Clarita is the third largest city in Los Angeles County. Its population is growing, and as a result, residents are concerned about traffic. The city is addressing these concerns by investing in technology to decrease congestion and improve the traveler's experience. Santa Clarita's roadway network is characterized by high average daily traffic volumes that change depending on the peak commute direction. Roadways are typically 6 or 8 lanes wide, and in some cases have triple left turns. The city's streets follow the geography of the area, which means they are curvy and not a typical grid pattern. Let's take a step back and talk about traffic. Where does traffic come from? Traffic could be caused by having too many cars on the road. This often happens when many people have to go to the same place at once, like going to school or work. Traffic also happens when something is blocking the road, like an accident or construction. When traffic signals are not working properly or are not letting enough cars through, it could cause traffic. What is wrong with traffic? Traffic is a problem for a number of reasons. It causes air pollution, which isn't good for our lungs. It makes the road wear out faster and need to be repaved more often. It also wastes time. Everyone would rather be somewhere else than sitting in traffic. Traffic is so frustrating. What can we do to fix traffic? We could build more roads, but that is difficult to do and very expensive. Use public transit? The city is investing in a transit system to help reduce the number of cars, but buses don't go everywhere. The city of Santa Clarita has been investing in technology to make cars flow faster. This investment provides the most benefit for the least cost. The city actively manages traffic at the Traffic Operations Center, reviewing more than 200 traffic signals and 200 traffic video cameras. Traffic operators continually receive real-time information about congestion through a variety of detectors, travel time information systems, and cutting-edge mobile applications. So, how does the city use technology to manage traffic? The city has a Traffic Operations Center, which is a room at City Hall where people use computers and large television screens to monitor traffic. The city has traffic cameras on the streets that show the people in the TOC what is happening at any moment. City staff can quickly identify an incident or if traffic is backing up more than normal. Operators in the TOC can manage the traffic by reviewing the traffic signal operations and reacting quickly to any problem they see. For example, if they see that traffic is backing up because of a malfunctioning traffic signal, TOC staff will dispatch maintenance crews to have it repaired within minutes. In the TOC, the city also monitors the traffic signals through a computer system that adapts the signal timing to real-life conditions. Traffic is caused when cars get more red lights than green lights. When the signals are timed correctly, it may be possible to get cars to go through several green lights before they get a red light. This is called traffic signal synchronization. Traffic signals are synchronized when they operate together. The traffic signal system is controlled by a computer that tells the signals when to change to a green light. Traffic flows best when cars do not have to stop too many times. So how do signals talk to each other? There are many components to making the traffic signals talk to each other. There are traffic signal controllers, signal communication, and detection devices. Let's learn a little bit about each one. Each intersection has a traffic signal controller. The controller is the computer that controls the signal. It is the brains behind the operation. The traffic signals are connected together by signal communication. Communication is like the arteries of the traffic signal system, sending information between the different components. There are many different kinds of signal communication. The city of Santa Clarita primarily has fiber optic cable communication. Fiber optic cables are reliable and very fast. They can send information long distances using many fibers that send beams of light encoded with data and images. They connect the traffic signals together, and they connect the traffic signals to detection. Detection, or sensors, tell the traffic signal controller if pedestrians, bicyclists, or a car is present on the street. There are a variety of kinds of detection. Some are loops that are in the pavement that can tell if a car is on top of them or not. Other types of detection use video cameras to know where the cars are. Detection is an important part of synchronizing the traffic signals because it provides the traffic signal system more information about how much traffic there is. All of these systems come together to help synchronize the traffic signals. How do we know that traffic signal synchronization has made things better? Before we make any changes, we perform a travel time study. That tells us how long it takes to get from point A to point B before any changes were made. After the changes are made, we drive the same route to make sure it is faster than before. We also use a special software that calculates how much less gasoline is used when we synchronize the traffic signals. It also tells us how much we have reduced greenhouse gas emissions. This is an example of the changes that are made by synchronizing traffic signals. As you can see in the before video, traffic on McBean Parkway is starting to back up and the queues get longer and longer. After the traffic signals are synchronized, more cars get through on the green lights and traffic doesn't back up as far. The benefits of traffic signal synchronization are that cars stop fewer times, which means they get to their destinations faster, consume less gas, and release fewer harmful emissions. The city is committed to using the latest, most reliable tools to improve transportation operations. We have smart traffic signal controllers that can measure the performance of the network and make adjustments to the signals in real time. We are implementing technology that will allow our traffic signals to talk directly to cars to drive at the right speed to get a green light. All of these innovative features are able to work because of the fiber optic network, which is the backbone of the city's traffic management system. The fiber network connects all of the traffic signals, cameras, and detectors together shown on the map to make them talk to each other and share data. The system detection, shown on the map with a green diamond, is one piece of information that enables the city to know where there are queues of vehicles and to respond to them right away. We are taking this information to the next level to not only know where the cars are, but to talk directly to the cars using advanced communication devices that will share information about green lights, detours, and even potential routes to avoid congestion. The city is using these investments in fiber optic communication, system detection, traffic signal synchronization, and more to improve traffic conditions and quality of life for the residents and visitors of Santa Clarita. Improving traffic signal synchronization makes everyone happier.